Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In today's we've decided to review the 5 best options for you. We've ranked these products based on many hours of research testing and we've picked the 5 best NVIDIA RTX 3090 gaming PC desktops that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. CUK Mantis. If you're looking for a high-end RTX 3090 gaming PC that comes with a ton of memory and plenty of storage, then the CUK Mantis is worth checking out. Along with the monstrous RTX 3090, the CUK Mantis comes with an Intel Core i9-10900 kFarads, 64 GB of DDR4 memory, a 1 TB SSD, a secondary 2 TB hard drive, and a gold-rated 850-watt power supply. The system also comes with 6 green LED fans, an AIO cooler, and a tempered glass PC case. All in all, for just under $4,000, you can land yourself a pre-built gaming desktop that comes with the world's most powerful graphics card. If you have the money to spend, the CUK Mantis is a great choice. Although, before you make up your mind on this system, you might want to check out some of the desktops listed below for some alternative options. At number 4. CUK Continuum Micro. Another RTX 3090 gaming PC from CUK Computer Upgrade King, the Continuum Micro offers essentially the same core components as the Mantis, except that it comes in a smaller Micro ATX case. So, if you're looking for a smaller form factor option, the Continuum might make more sense for you. It comes with an Intel Core i9-10900 kFarads processor, 64 GB of DDR4 RAM, a 1 TB SSD, a secondary 2 TB HDD, a 850-watt power supply, and an AIO liquid cooler. The bottom line, though, is that if you prefer a smaller system, or if you don't like the aesthetics of the Mantis, then the Continuum is a worthy alternative. At number 3. CUK Mantis Ryzen. If you want to spend a little more to get a workstation-grade system, then this upgraded CUK Mantis system are worth considering. This version of the Mantis comes with an AMD Ryzen 9 3950X processor, 128 GB of memory, a 1 TB SSD, and a 4 TB hard drive. With the swap to the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X over the Intel Core i9-10900 kFarads, this Mantis Edition PC will be especially suited for handling multi-threaded tasks. And, with the additional memory and extra storage, it is the perfect option for anyone doing serious graphics design, video editing, processing, game design, or any other CPU-intensive tasks. So, if you need an RTX 3090 system that can double as both an elite-tier gaming PC and a powerful workstation desktop, the CUK Mantis Ryzen Edition is probably your best bet. At number 2. Skytech Prism II. Although the Skytech Prism II is currently the cheapest RTX 3090 desktop you can buy, it is no slouch. And, in fact, if your main purpose for your new system is gaming, the Prism II might just be the best option on this list. With an AMD Ryzen 9 3900X processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD, this PC has everything a hardcore gamer could need. The combination of the Ryzen 9 3900X and the RTX 3090 are more than powerful enough to max out any game you throw at it, even on a 4K gaming monitor. So, if you don't want to spend the extra money on additional RAM or extra storage space, which can easily be added later, and/or you don't need the extra processing power, the Ryzen 9 3900X is still extremely powerful, then the Skytech Prism II is definitely worth checking out. Finally, at number 1. DEEPCOOL Castle 240EX. I've had this for over a week so far and it's a pretty awesome cooler. The instructions were easy to follow for my AM4 socket. The material doesn't feel cheap either. Comes with thermal paste pre-applied and plenty of it, so don't worry about buying more. This cools my Ryzen 5 2600X and I haven't seen temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius so far even when playing graphic-heavy games. That's awesome. Big difference from my first PC where my Intel processor could have cooked an omelette with its stock cooler. This thing also looks incredible. The RGB controller is simple to use if your motherboard doesn't have 3-pin RGB like mine. Lots of different effects and colors to pick from. Right now mine's pulsing light blue and it even lets you change the speed. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.